Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and this is my channel where you're gonna learn how to draw easy and step by step. Today we're doing a Minecraft zombie. Are you ready?
Ready.
Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker, but you can change this for a pencil. Hi, today I have a very special guest. Mateo, can you say hi?
Hi.
Mateo, how old are you?
6. And
6.
And I'm gonna be 7 this year.
Okay, we're gonna put our colors up here. These are the colors we're using, and we're gonna start our picture of a baby Minecraft zombie. We're gonna do a square up here on the paper. So we're gonna start going down, and now we're gonna do a line that goes to the right.
Yeah.
And another one that goes to the right on the top. Right here.
Okay.
And we're gonna connect them going down. Good. Now the next thing we're gonna do is the eyes. And the eyes are 2 rectangle shapes, right?
Right.
We're gonna start on the left side and we're gonna do our rectangles.
But Mom,
now we're
what if we do a mistake?
Oh, that's okay. The whole thing, the very important thing is practice, right?
Right.
So we're gonna do the second eye, and that's another square. And now we're gonna connect these 2 eyes with here in the middle with another square. And that square is what? Is a nose?
Yeah. The nose. I'm a funny nose.
Okay, we're gonna do another square in the middle, and that's the nose. So the next step is gonna be the neck, and we're gonna do 2 little lines. And to connect this, we're gonna go with other 2 lines on the bottom, and we're gonna connect them with a square shape.
Yeah, I did a zombie craft before.
Good. Yeah, Mateo is a big fan of Minecraft.
Yeah. I did a zombie craft before. Yeah,
now let's continue. Really let's continue going down. And for the shirt, we're gonna do 2 lines. So the first one is here, and okay, Mateo is already closing his shirt. I'm just gonna go down. I want to do on the bottom a rib part that has right here. So I'm gonna connect from the left to the right. We're gonna start going little line down to the right. Again, down to the right.
This is
down
his rib.
to the right and going up. That's a rip on his shirt. You can do it right here. You can put a line that goes here to here and do the rip right there, okay? So you do a line and then start ripping. Oh, you did. You crossed it again. That's okay. You can also do the line all the way across. That's fine. Let's continue doing the pants. So we're going to do here 2 lines. You want to finish your ripping in your shirt?
Zombies have rips because their brain got eaten by a real zombie.
That's what happened. Let's continue with the pants. We're gonna do a line that goes down. And the other side too. And now let's connect them together on the bottom with a line. And now let's do a line in the middle. Good. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to do the feet, and we're just going to do a line that go across on the bottom.
My zombie's legs looks like they're wobbling together. Like they're like stuck together and they're wobbling.
A little bit, but that's okay. Your drawing looks amazing. Now let's do here a square for the hand. Right there, and do another one on the other side. And now for the arms, we're gonna connect from this corner to the top, kind of like under his chin. And let's do it again. On the other side, we're gonna connect these down here.
My zombie's arms looks like it's relaxing. Don't you think?
A little bit. But there, that's it. We finished. Good job, Mateo. You did such a good job. And now my favorite part is coming. Watch that.
Come on, you zombie. It's not brain break today.
Let's color. Okay, little artists, we finished. We're gonna put our colors aside so you can see the colors we use. Here we put on the top a little bit of hair, you know, with a darker green, and on the sides we forgot to do the sleeves. You can also put that in the same color as the shirt. Put a line and put the same color.
I also put the beard. Yours looks like a baby zombie, and mine looks like a grown-up zombie that eats you.
Oh, that's why you put like a beard.
Yeah.
We also colored around with a black marker so the colors pop up a little bit more. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can see more lessons like this. You want to say bye?
Bye, bye, bye. Bad boy, bye. Bye, 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 bye.
Good job.
Can I see the whole video?